When you say you wanna leave, but if that's what you choose to do, it's okay. It's okay. Listen. One day you will come now. Company, I need your company. 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 Company, I need your company.
I'm telling the master of brand spanking new business signal. No, me actually the artists are going a bag of sitting. Business signal.
Check.
Business signal.
Yo.
You can have the headphone.
You're good again.
Good.
Alright.
Great.
People, if you just joining us once again, business signal in the studio. In the studio.
Brilliant.
You understand?
Tell them that again.
Business signal,
Yo.
they are busy in the studio.
One more time.
Business signal, they are busy 103.3.
Me feel say if we give them one more time.
Let him bring inside back door.
Business signal, they are busy radio studio. The whole of the family them there.
Alright.
And some of them there.
Me feel satisfied now.
Jesus Christ.
Me feel say Trumbull Street here, Main Street here,
Vine Street there.
North Main Street here, Vine Street here, Lennox Street here, Albany Avenue here, Tower Avenue. Granby Street. Woodland Street here, Farmington Avenue here, East Hartford here, Magnolia Street. You know that street?
Edgewood.
Edgewater.
Edgewater.
You don't know that street.
You don't know that shit. You don't know Edgewater.
You know Edgewood, but you don't know Edgewater. You know Edgewood, but you don't know Edgewater. Yo, Tony, hold on, man. Him know Edgewood Street, but he don't know Edgewater.
No, we know Edge Street. My niece sing on the edge. We know about Edge Street.
You have to call him back in busy right now.
Yeah.
Busy signal. Better know how you feel about, because you don't know now. You don't to talk to people too much, you know. But you know, say people that probably want to talk to you, you know what I mean? How you feel about that sitting there?
No,
I'm not.
We don't know if them are calling right now, but we just want to know if they can call right now.
They can.
They can.
You know, we have like 5-10 minutes left, right?
Alright, people.
We're like for run more or less.
People, 860
5-10 minutes left.
730.
I'm a brother, I know. I'm one of the management. My manager.
Come on, you're foolish. What are we?
All of my people try TAFE. So you see, me never really go to the back of school, them and them and a teacher.
Yeah.
Me 3 brothers them, three of them. Him and 2.
Where?
Yeah, we know a few I brother them.
Yeah, them a teacher and them up here, so.
Yeah.
So you see when
he mentioned it 2 minutes done. But he never hear them. This one can take talk. Not take call. But we mentioned it to him.
Them have to talk to.
This man running.
I say, yeah.
I'm a lawyer, them running.
Alright.
And me man say, Lord Jesus, I come like a soul boy.
Yeah. Big up the whole family, man. Inspiration.
A blessing.
We know Bounty Killer, one of the inspiration.
A blessing.
But we notice that you give props to a lot of the pioneers, dance and reggae music.
After.
Who are some of the people I'm that like genuinely inspired? We know say the whole genre inspire. Who are some of the people again? Yeah, really.
Shabba Rankin, Josie Whale, Ken Boot, John Holt, you know what I mean, Super Cat, Ninja Man, Major Worries. See, man, we have some people know who is Major Worries. Panhead, Capleton. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
These people, you know, when Sizzla did us in the Dry Cry, them and Black Woman and Child, them Sizzla, they inspire me. Not the Kalanji Sizzla, but the Sizzla.
The Dry Cry Sizzla.
So it's like a whole heap of different things what inspire me, and then now we just add it up to what I can do in terms of my creativity and you know what I can bring to the table in terms of what I introduce or what I contribute to the music industry.
You have a call from
See? So it's like a whole heap of different artists out there inspiring.
Hello.
Barry Salmon.
He's busy right now.
You know what I mean? Freddie McGregor, Dennis. A lot of these people inspire, you know what I mean?
So, alright.
Gregory Isaac. I can't
The whole
Okay,
pioneer.
no problem.
Yo, Johnny.
Dancehall music, reggae music.
Alright.
So, Busy Signal are one of the artists.
Okay.
One of the few artists where you can say, alright, we need a reggae artist, we draw for Busy Signal. We need a dancehall artist, we draw for Busy Signal. What contribute to Busy Signal being like?
Put in gospel too.
If you're on gospel, God will be Signal.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah. No, I'm joking.
What contributes to Busy Signal being such a versatile artist?
All of the people who paved the way before I and I. You know what I mean? Everyone who paved the way before I and I. As you notice and as you hear, me not really get inspired by the nowadays artists there. You know what I mean? I don't listen to the nowadays artists there. You know what I mean? I'm not saying people shouldn't listen to them. I'm not saying people shouldn't. People do what they, I mean, each adult do what they want to do. Parents control what pick they do. But each adult do what they want to do. But in terms of me, as a youth, I make my decision. I don't listen to them nowadays. Little ones, yeah. You know what I mean? Because them now nothing to teach.
Sidebar for a little bit though. There's a lot of artists from that time there till now, like I do them thing. We're not talking about the pioneers them now. Which of them artists there, and I mean, even though you're saying that listen to the nowadays artists, but which of them artists there, well, you look on and say, no, say, that you there, I travel the path there, Busy Signal feel like at the right path.
Romy and the Virgo.
Yeah.
Romy and the Virgo are sing and I sing and I sing and I do everything. Not because him born January 24th like me. Because Ninja Man born January 24th as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, it's a level where you have artists who are trying to Popcorn sing some good songs. You sing a couple of good songs.
Yeah.
You know, you have enough youth who are young now who are sing a couple of good songs and stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you know, have Chris Martin who sing a couple. You have some of my younger artists, then like the Image and some artists who are, you know, them sing them good couple songs and stuff. We have enough little young artists. I know the whole of them name because I say, I listen to a wide range of these artists, the nowadays artists. But you have a couple of them who do them thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just hope they continue and do like positive music that makes sense.
Definitely.
But at the end of the day, you're not going to hear Busy Signal just jump up and I listen to everybody. Because then everybody make the Busy Signal playlist. I know my playlist doesn't matter to a lot of people, but my playlist is my playlist that I choose to listen to after my person. I listen to people like Enya. Do you know who named Enya? No, you don't. No, you don't. Sail away, sail away.
Hold on. You want to put on my computer right now and play it?
See? We're not talking about computer and playing because from the type in EN.
No, listen.
I'm been listening
No,
to
what I'm saying, my hard drive, you can't type my come up.
go in there. You store it in there.
Yeah,
No problem.
Yes.
But as I said, we listen to Luciano Pavarotti, I will listen to Enya, I will listen to the Jolly Boys, I will listen to, you know what I mean, the Commodores, I will listen to Phil Collins, you know what I mean, he is the original singer when I sing One More Night. You know what I mean, the Commodores sing the original song called Night Shift when Lionel Richie was the lead singer. Night Shift, you know what I mean?
Talk
so
about
a whole
that.
bunch of inspiration.
Talk about that incident there. Talk about that incident because you don't know what I can review. Me not personally, me not a Glenda G can say that. I'm not a really a media person, you know, that Facebook something that's something there, you don't know, me kind of shy to that thing there still, you get me? But, me kind of say little comments them where I don't know if it's Lionel Richie comment a Busy Signal and the work of the cover version.
Yo.
It was Phil Collins, yeah.
Oh, it was Phil Collins?
Yeah, he put the best of Phil Collins.
I've seen no that's why.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh,
yeah, man.
Yeah, all of them song there, I'm seeing all of them song there, you know what I mean? And I put out the best of Phil Collins and he put the Busy Signal version of the One More Night on the album. You know what I mean? And Universal, the CEO for Universal Records. Universal Records was signing Cash Money and them time they were Baby and Cash Money, Liquor and all of them. Universal CEO put out his best 16 songs. And One More Night was in between the 1 to 16, One More Night was here. You know what I mean? So it's like a whole part things, but I just give thanks.
I remember we said we have a question. Yes, if you ask them, I come back and say.
Yeah, me asking a come back and about 7 minutes.
But here we are,
yeah.
Here we are going to run through. Here we are. Let's talk about.
Yeah, politician.
We're going to talk about, alright. We're going to talk about music now. Busy Signal and music. First thing I want to ask you, from your time I listen to music, from them time there till now, what's the transition, what's the state of the music, bass and Busy Signal? It's not from anybody. It's
a lot of garbage is out there right now. Patrick, I tell you, a lot of garbage they out there right now. You know what I mean? You have no. Oh man, I chat nice too. How that man? Yeah, my brother.
Yo, brother. Yo, you might address it. You might address it.
No disrespect. After the thing, some man phone a ring to you with tone. You know? Yeah, them something there. You know, we have to make. You see the name. What's the guy? You see the name? Have to uphold. Uphold this thing here. Because that's the level we're gonna get to Hot 97, and we're gonna get to the 106 in Florida and all these main stations.
Anyway, but like I talk about something, you know, say that radio station here was made inspired by Busy Signal.
Me hear about everything.
Yeah.
You never get
Hold on. Bossy, talk to him. Bossy, talk to man.
Why you read out the profile here?
Yeah, man, him there a long time. Hey, man, he was listening. He was listening.
As I said, it's a lot of garbage in the music at the moment.
Yeah.
Still you have a few good songs. You know what I mean? You have a few good songs that stand out and you know people can vibe to. You know, not necessarily those songs gonna have longevity, but them have a vibe. Cause you have some kind of music that come out of Jamaica now where I know dancehall rhythm, I know hip hop rhythm, I know R&B rhythm, and I know reggae rhythm. It have a bounce. It have a bounce, but it not no roots. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You remember me to bring you up. When she up then. But the rhythm, the beat is not dancehall, it's not reggae, it's not hip hop, it's not R&B. But it have a vibe. Good words and good melody and a vibe. That's why more time I just go in on my box. I'm going to them like gun now rhythm on my voice, what if pan. Bedroom bully. Or vice that song that on a shabba come say my daddy and me I say and grab a girl and say I born as a bedroom. You know me come bring up like I remind them what is real dancehall music. So them look a bounce rhythm. They have a vibe but they don't have any roots. See? But at the end of the day, I'm not against them, you know. I'm just saying that's the facts here. See, so you have a whole heap of garbage and a whole heap of BS I forward out of the industry. But at the end of the day, I accept the revolution, I accept the evolution of the music. You know what I mean? I accept say you have to have changes. Everybody now go there like when Echo Mine at them, Half Pine at Half Pine them and you know what I mean? Joe Lick shot them. It's not gonna be the same era right around the clock.
Yeah, that but
at the end of the day, when I show respect to the roots, when I show respect to your roots, you have a more planted career than when you just jump up and do a little something I like say I do it to get one 3 grand or 1 10 grand or 1 5 grand or 1 15. What's that? Huh?
Alright, here we go now, because we have about some couple more minutes now. So this is the part where I get now, I get to busy signal and it feels it now. Busy signal. I mean, now you travel, you can travel. What is that? What is in the future for busy signal? Based on America base.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm on a visiting at the moment. You know, when I left, I think we'll leave like Tuesday or something like that. We go on a European tour and we come back to Jamaica. We do the whole month in Europe, come back to Jamaica like in the first week of March, and then we start working on the work for the USA. You know what I mean? So it's like a whole bunch of stuff are going on. You know what I mean? People are better bid, people I mean like them action. Festivals across the places were a bid. You know what I mean? A bid, and I say, oh my God, I want to have the first show. I mean, I say, you want to have the first show, I like. How much million US? You know what I mean? And sometimes, I mean, when you have a busy signaling concert, you know, you're gonna have probably other artists as well. You know, I have to go invite my artists then. You know, I mean, enough of the people that look up to like Barry Salmon and Master Graphics. I have to go bring in my pitney them like Romain Virgo and Chris Martin. You know what I mean? B Major, Esco Levi, Nanga Singer. I have to bring in some people. It's gonna be the busy signal concert. Cause I'm gonna perform for half hour and 20 minutes. We do 3 hours and a half. We do hour and a half. I do work. This is all I do. I don't have no fallback plan. I don't have no plan B. And this me do want it half the work through the most I job blessing.
Yes.
Yeah. However, we have to shift away. Sleepy, please play the fresh from your heart.
Well, I know, but me ask first, man. What is next? What is next?
Be a music.
Signal
Be a music next. Be a music. Be a videos. Be a sitting. Be a prayer. Be a prayer every day. Be a prayer. Be a prayer. Be a prayer. Giving thanks to the Most High Jah. And be a music and be a videos and you know what I mean. After I received the work permit for the USA, got the work permit and everything. We deal with work. So when we get to work, we get to work. But at the end of the day, we just do them promotion and all, and I deal with the thing different. A song I just couple days ago, a song I do after me reaching. And USA, that song I finish mix up and everything. I want to name Fresh From Yard. I want to name Fresh From Yard. Yes.
Just a reach. Just a reach. Nah.
Sleepy, pull up. Pull up there. Hey, you know when I hear the fresh fire and I see him feeling, you know what I mean? Fresh fire. I guess what I want to know. Hey, everybody remember the Instagram post and post. Me never remember, you know. Me 103. Me never remember say nobody never stop on the bridge. Remember that. So me jump out of the car now. A video put up with phone and I say, yeah, all who wait me.
Yeah, we see that video there.
Continue.
We see that video there.
I have a white stone bridge and, and I freeze the internet car. The next morning when people wake up and see that, internet freeze. Yeah. It was frozen the next morning. See, it was like me plan it that way because nobody don't know. So nobody at all but me and my lawyer not involved in not getting me back a travel document to be here. Nobody, no agency no involved, no involved, no promoter no involved, no agents, nobody no involved but me, the Most High Jah, and my lawyer Andrew. See, so it's like when that go on, and then when me jump up, I say, me not tell nobody, you know, come on, make sure it's my land. I come out of the airport, and the car where I can walk out, now the call, and I say, yes, fresh from yard. Show off, show off. Hey, Sleepy, show off. You chip them bun off. You want to chip them bun off, CB, tell them no girl, hey.
That's true, that body now. You make it soak, yeah. Just a reach. This is our tree. So last year I know some boy are free. We are free. We are free. You see it sleeping. Just a reach. Just a reach. Fresh from the yard. Now you're listening to the best from the yard. Tons of steel bricks from the ceiling of the heart. Now take the first step on the system from the yard. Check from Jamaica, we want to make them a flavor. I get the money, bless from the yard. Rather than Broadway. This is another way. I'm original, the one I'm a friend. The rest of them need to keep a risk from the yard. It's just how the Lord, make it so, yeah.
Fresh from yard, fresh from yard, fresh. Yo, busy. Yeah, take some call. Yeah, take some call for your fun.
It's the Trap Jam.
Yeah, no, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Yeah, take some phone call.
5 more minutes.
Take some call for your
Take some
fun.
call.
730-3800 right now. 860-730-3800. Call up if you want to talk to. The signal there. 860-730-3800. You know a signal. It's not a talker phone. Leave that one. Take off a signal. Can't take that headphone sit. Everybody video. It goes down in the DMX sitting. I know when the woman have something there. But I got the place people, all of Uno, selectors and DJs who don't have it, get it.
No, Sparkers, I'm busy without you.
You have to go on like you was.
You have it.
No, but me have it by time. That's what you're done. Because in general, the term president,
Yes, but they are but you're not gonna say.
and the term president, I hear that to the thing. But the party, jump on the song the first. Please, answer. Let's get up here back again. Just a reach. That party, Fresh from the yard. Now you're listening to the best from the yard. Tons of steel bricks from the ceiling of the heart. Now take the first step on the system from the yard. Check from Jamaica, we want to make them a flavor. I get the money, bless from the yard. Rather than Broadway. All of them are fraud. Stop it. No, go on the stand over your shadow. Go on the stand over your shadow. Signal. Attack. Jesus. This is one actually. That's one. Fresh from the yard. Now you're listening to the best from the yard. Now take the first one, it says from the yard. Real money make a mess. Alright then. Real money make kind of fake and tell them straight. And you don't know me blessed from the yard. Rather than Broadway. This is signal and me are the original. The one of them are fraud. The rest of them need to take a rest from the yard. Just out the hero, but them can't just be in the April. Need to live up on the book. Blessed from the yard. Sparkers International. Who would have known? Who would have thought? Me, run the turf. No boy don't run the turf but me. Me, run the turf. What's up, brother? Me, stick to me thing and no boy can beat me. No switch to me skin. 1 or 3 now mix with this. You know what now? Them say bado fools. Which part? Which fool?
represent straight. Straight up in it. Bad up, who? Which part? Which crew? I couldn't be them a chat about you. You can't follow me coming up. Follow. Let's box your face. Well, me say, how? Which guy? And you know, so some ladies are listening out there. Now try fit on that one. Hello, baby, can you come over? I'm busy 1 tree. Best in 1 tree, we not test few. What about you? They overstand enough. Hello, baby, can you come over? I know you're best. Take it over. You tonight, I'm in over. Come warm me up on the big over. Make me rock till the lamp shit turn over. Rock my chest, rest your head on my shoulder. And the police say something, I need a baker. Hey, 103 say busy telegram. Girls, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you. I have some boy I find a depend on people. When you do a jump by me out, all the boys jump from the jump tiny out. Never last, level it. You can imagine. All these years, me a dream say me a go run out for one of the big show my foreign. And me a dream say, you know, Lord, yo, me can't just. God, you can't just put up there in magic. Let me just run out. Why you stop doing it? Hot flex. This right here is the hot flex. You don't want to stop it. So you see, miracle moment. And I said, most I God. You can't just let me just up here. And just DJ and just up here back here. And I said, John, no. Can we see some artists forward up here and then now perform right? Me not lie. Enough artists come up here, come from Dash Music. Dash next track. Dash. We not dash for music. We not dash music. I want to put Jamaican state here. Ate! We love Jamaica, me now say love. Jamaica, we love Jamaica. Hey, I'm telling them say, under the tree, like now say man head. Jumping out the river when we ready for the Albany Avenue. Straight up in the heart for the world Connecticut. Tell them say.
Yo, I'm going to get all night. Yo, come take some car for your family.
This is it. This is it. Hold on. I feel like we can DJ something else.
Vibes there, what about vibes?
What if the most high John never guide over the earth? What if I never praise? What if me that worship demon?
So then come in our shirt mark 666 like.
What if me that on the 666 man the calls and messages? What if me tattoo up the triangle for me? What if me didn't well put in the all black tattoo in my eye? And a chick busy 103 to me tattoo. What if what if all these things when I teach you some basics? What if I just step on the glass step back?